I'm Michelle Gomez and this is how I do my hair for a sort of everyday look. So my hair texture is basically a cross between horsehair and rope, and so it needs a lot of care and attention and moisture. And what I do first of all is I put this mask, has gone in this hair for like good 10 minutes or so. Christoph Robin, amazing for people with hair like mine, which is a lot. He's my go-to. And then I would like prep it. My hair drinks oil. It needs a lot of moisture. I have 5 people's heads of hair on my head. God, if there is one, did not give me an ass. He just kept giving me hair and not much of an upper lip either. Just lots and lots of hair. Now, this is the Christoph Robin I discovered a while ago, and it has made a huge difference to my hair. So it turns it from feeling, you can feel like it's like rope, to something approximating real hair. So just saturate it. I just pour this stuff in. I just work through my hair, make sure that it goes really just from the end. The scalp you want to kind of avoid, and just make sure that it's right through to the tips there. The biggest tip with hair like this is to work in really small sections. So I'm just going to take like the front here and I section it off and I just get rid of it over here. Otherwise it's a little overwhelming. And I just take one piece. So I really want to make sure I get it as smooth as possible. So I'll just get right in at the roots there. Just go really slowly, and it's with a round brush as well. Curl the very end of it so that it's got a nice bend at the end. So this is probably going to take about another hour and a half. It will be worth it. So I'm going to catch up with you when I'm nearly done. Okay, really my hair is just super thirsty and it's taken me a long time to know how to deal with it. And actually growing up in Scotland with hair like mine, my poor old mum, she didn't know how to deal with it. And there was a point where my grandmother, my dad's side of the family's Caribbean, from Antigua, and my grandmother came over and she actually, she taught me how to braid it. And that was the first time when I could take control of it. The big key with thick, unmanageable hair is oil, lots and lots of oil. So when I moved to New York, I didn't really know anybody, and I needed to try and find somebody to deal with this. And I had the great pleasure to run into Tommy Bucket, and so and he just completely changed my life, and in terms of dealing with my hair. I go to him once a week or maybe once every 10 days, and he gives me a good old blowout, and I will not wash it unless I have to. But Tommy Bucket is my main man. My hair's definitely got me a couple of jobs. My hair definitely, I think, was sealed the deal for Madam Satan, because I went from this like the stereotypical, you know, kind of school mom with the hair pulled back and my glasses on, and then there's a point where I turned from Mary Wardwell into Madam Satan, and I literally just pulled my hair out and did a whole kind of thing, and I think that got the part. So I have my hair to thank for Madam Satan. So guys, that's it. That's all I got. That's my hair routine. It's basically just fill her up with oil, and away you go. It's been fun sharing this with you, and if you have hair like mine, God love you. But there's products out there. You can always make it.